Welcome to our data management series. Small databases are compact systems designed to store, organize, and manage limited amounts of information efficiently. They are commonly used by libraries, clubs, clinics, or school systems to track records such as students, employees, and inventory. Designing a small database in Excel is a good step for designing more complicated databases with Access, SQL, or Oracle. In this video, we'll talk about how to design and build a simple school database to manage students' attendance and grades efficiently. Whether you are a beginner in databases or looking to improve your data management skills, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. Students Worksheet. We need to edit data for student's ID and student's name. A well-designed database can save time and reduce errors, so it's preferable to store first name and last name in separate fields rather than a single full name field, because it makes data easier to search, sort, filter, and format. Then we'll edit date of birth and grade level and class. Do we edit the age? No, because we don't enter data that can be calculated from other stored values to ensure that the data remains accurate, up-to-date, and easier to maintain. The full name can be derived from the student's worksheet. So we'll enter only attendance date, student's ID, and the status, present, absent, or late. In the grades worksheet, we edit student's ID and the remark of each subject. Then we can calculate the total remark and average for each student. Here is the school data management workbook. We enter data of student ID, first name, last name, date of birth, grade level, and class. Now we'll calculate the age. To calculate the age, use the today function. Today function is a date and time function category. It returns the current day and it has no arguments and it's updated continuously. Now subtract the date of birth from the current day. In the cell of age, subtract the birthday from the current day. The result is in days. To calculate it in years, divide the formula by 365. Now we'll need to make the cell reference of A1 as an absolute reference. Write the $sign before the row and column name and drag the formula to the other cells. Now we'll notice that A1 is a constant for the other formulas. Now we'll go to the attendance worksheet. We want to write the full name of each student in this cell. Use the concatenate function, which is a text function and joins many text strings into one text string. Now we reference the cell, the first cell from the student's worksheet, which is the first name, and the second text string is the last name, and here is the full name of the student. Now we'll calculate the grades of each student. First, calculate the total and the average. To calculate the total, from the formula tab, select the function library and select the auto sum. From the auto sum, select the sum function and calculate the total of each of the remarks of each student. To calculate the average, also from the function library, and select auto sum and select average and select the cells, and here is the average. To calculate the grade of each student, use the function ifs that checks more than one condition. The first condition is if the total is more than or equals to 200, the grade is A. If the second condition is if the total is more than or equals to 150, the grade is B. The third condition, if the total is more than or equals to 100, the grade is C. The last condition, if the total is less than 100, it fail. Drag the function so the result